Okay, so this is the 5 a.m. check. I got up to feed the cat, and yeah, glad we have food because I don't know how much longer she's going to eat. But anyway, this is as far as I can open my door. So don't ask me how we're going to get the hell out of here anytime soon. Somewhere in that snow mound is a Toyota Camry. I don't know how the hell we're going to get that out either. And it's still snowing. Still coming down. That's the parking lot. Supposedly there's some other cars under there too. No idea how we're going to get out of this at all. Our condo complex couldn't shovel us out of 4 inches of snow. Now they're going to get us out of what looks like 10 feet. Well, we'll see you in April.